God damn it. I didn't even have a microphone set up. I am not a professional streamer. Jesus. Alright, we're back. Chainsaw Man, chapter 165. I only got like 3 pages in, so it's okay. I'm going to be uploading this and then streaming at 1 o'clock for Ace Combat. Is that a dead body? Yeah, the station attendants will clean it up later. Huh? No, dude, somebody died. That's just expected at this point. Come on, we're taking the next train. These Fammy shots are super, like, Makima-esque. But, I don't know, it's like Frowny Monica. Frowny Monica. Frowny Makima. I'm getting ready to play Doki Doki Literature Club. So, that's why. Well, I want to do a Doki Doki video, but I don't know. The best sushi restaurant near here is Endenya, but they're closed because one of their chefs died. The next best would be Maridea, from the same chain if it hadn't burnt down. So by process of elimination, we should go to Sushi Ishi. It's budget sushi, but they have a reputation for using fresh fish. Oh, I went there once. I only ordered tea, but their tea was good. Again, Kobeni's brother. I need Denji to have one of these hats, bro. Looking super cute right here in this panel. Freaking Fujimoto stepped it up with the art this week. He heard everybody talking shit about his fucking art. So he must have scaled it up. Stepped up, dude. Hey, Asa, remind me, why are you out to fight me now? Because if I can fight you and win, you'll be saved. Oh. Are you still brainwashed by that weird cult? No. Fami, explain. Your heart's power is what makes you Chainsawman. It's the power of a contract. The terms of your contract require you to live a normal life. If you break the contract, the heart's owner, the real Chainsaw Man, will emerge. If we defeat the real Chainsaw Man and transplant a human heart into your body, you become an ordinary human again. Why do I think... I don't know. I just wonder, what would Makima like? How would Makima interact with Fami, or any of the other horsemen? I would just like to see that. Why do you know about all that? Do you seriously believe this shady chick? Dude, I don't trust Fami. Yeah, she says she's been like, what's the word? I would say unconfrontationary, but like I don't even know if that's a word. But she hasn't been confrontational at all. But there is just something about Fami that is just shady. Like she's like Makima 2.0. She's playing Asa for her own agenda. And despite her trying to say that that she's against Death Devil, I know she has her own agenda. But then again, she did kind of expose it that she just wants to eat. She just wants to save humanity because she wants food. But she helped me rescue you. Sure, she's done some bad things before, but her heart's in the right place. We're both trying to help someone, right? Dude, even Fami's like, yo, you reaching. Oh my god. Poor Asa. When you say normal, what does that even mean? It means returning to your old life, going to school every day, having a home to return to. Naito will turn up too. Maybe the police are keeping her safe for someone else, and that it's just that she doesn't know how to contact you after your apartment burned down. Everything will go back to how it was before. I know it. Poop paper, you know? Toilet paper. Have you ever eaten toilet paper? When I was hungry as a little kid, that's what I'd eat. From the park's public restroom. But like, once I stopped going hungry, I stopped being able to eat toilet paper. Oh my god, Denji. I feel so bad for you, bro. Oh my god. Do you get what I'm saying? Could you not speak in vague metaphors? I'm confused. I can never go back to the way things used to be. Yes, you can. I'll give you your life back. It's okay. I'll save you no matter what. Jesus Christ, man. He's literally speaking facts, and Asa's autistic ass is just not picking up the cues. My goodness. Kids these days are wussies, whining on and on like women. Killing Chainsawman won't avenge my granddad. He'll turn over his grave. Denji's hungry and his family member is missing. Cut him some slack. Oh, cut him some slack. Also, no smoking on the train. Hey! Hey! Austin. That face is perfect. I know there's a guaranteed... I know the place that's guaranteed to perk up any man in one shot. Forget sushi. We just shove the kid in there. A soapland brothel. That's where we'll take him. Nothing cheers up a man faster than boning a woman. To be continued. Okay. I mean, I guess that's a way coming back. I swear to God, if Reze's in this freaking Soapland brothel, dude, I'm gonna be pissed. Because she already should have been back. You know what I mean? My God. Well, that's the Chainsawman chapter. Whole bunch of nothing. Just a bunch of talking. A bunch of yapping. A bunch of waffling. Like, why? My goodness. Oh, okay. Well, that was fun. But it's like... Wait. Wait a goddamn minute. Fujimoto. You wouldn't, right? Hold on, chat. I'm going to show you guys what I'm thinking. Hold on. 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 Hold up. Let me mute this.
ここで死んじゃうんだ。お腹ペコペコで死んじゃうんだ。半分無理やりなんです。親が優秀な兄だけは大学に行かせたいからって私に働かせたんです。風俗かデビルハンターしか選択肢なかったんです。私も大学に行きたかったんです。でもここで死んじゃうんです。でも怖いんです。
Bro, I swear to God, if Kobeni's in this Soapland, I'm a... I'm gonna flip. If Kobeni's in a brothel, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know how I'm gonna feel. But if Kobeni's back, I'll take it. Even if she's taking it. Never mind, I can't make that joke. Not online. Well, I made it, so. Guys, that's been Chainsawman chapter 165. That was fun. I should have a video up by tomorrow in regards to the as you guys might or might not know, I make like a Chainsaw Man shitpost kind of like a summary. The chapter basically explained out of context. That's what I normally do, and I make like a minute and a half long video about just like using movie scenes to basically summarize what happened in the chapter. And yeah, and that's what I do, bro. And this chapter's been a lot of talking. I don't know how else to describe.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Quiet. Get Jujutsu Kaisen off my goddamn screen. Yeah. It's your boy John Nosen. Read that chapter for you. I'll see you guys next week.